yeah! All right! Woohoo! I can't wait! Oh, it's gonna be so much fun!
Well. It looks like things just got a little bit more difficult for me to take over the water park. No worries, I have a plan of my own. This water park will be mine! Mine, I tell you!
Hey, Incredible Assistant, I have to warn you. I haven't heard from Romeo in a while. That troublemaker may be up to something. So keep your eyes peeled and protect this water park.
Don't worry, I'll keep the pool safe from any trouble and any shenanigans. I got this. Okay, the kiddie pool looks A-okay. Hey, Jack, having fun? Whoa! Uh-oh! Whoa,
Jack.
That was a close one. We don't want any sunburn around here. Hey guys, having fun?
Oh, hey, Incredible Assistant. This is my favorite water park game.
Silly gecko. That's the shower. The fun's over there.
Oops.
This water park is amazing! Okay, come on up for the best water slide in town.
Yeah!
Okay, next.
Woohoo!
Okay, next.
Huh? Hey, what's going on?
Get over here.
That looks like fun. I think it's time for the lifeguard to take a break. Whoa! Yeah! Super cool.
Help!
Oh no! Someone needs my help! Oh no! What's wrong?
My ice cream, it's melted.
Oh no! Not your ice cream! You need a fun frozen treat on this hot summer day!
Can you help me?
I got this.
Oh, thank you, Incredible Assistant.
Oh no! Romeo!
The water park is officially mine! First take over the water park and then take over the world! Monsters! Get 'em!
Have no fear, the Incredible Assistant Lifeguard is here!
Oh no!
Hey, you guys over there! There's no running at the pool! It's not safe! Freeze! Literally. Gotcha.
Uh-oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Ugh, those monsters. I better get out of here. Ooh, the slide, my quick escape.
Not so fast, Romeo! You thought you could take over the water park and ruin everybody's good time at the pool! But not today, not ever!
Ooh, Incredible Assistant Lifeguard. I'll get you next time. And your precious pool party, too. Brr.
Who knew I could have so much fun at this super awesome water park? Just being a lifeguard! I can't wait for my next incredible adventure. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. And what was your favorite part that we did this video? My favorite part was going down the water slide, of course. But wait, another cool video starts right now. Bye! Okay, team, it looks like for your first mission...
Woohoo! The assistant's almost here. Woohoo! Whoa, yeah! Woo!
Hey, PJ Masks. What you doing?
Hey, assistant. We're just about to go on a mission.
Wow, can I help? Please, 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 please.
Yeah! Oh, yay, yes, it's gonna be so much fun! Woohoo! Gecko?
Bitch!
Oh yeah, doing my happy dance. Wait a second. You see, assistant, you don't have any superpower PJs, so it could be dangerous.
Aw, man.
I've got it! You can be Overwatch in our PJ Mask headquarters. You can be our eyes and ears out on the mission while still being safe here.
Oh, wow, so cool.
That sounds like a great idea! Woohoo!
Well, come on now. You better hurry up. PJ Masks, let's go.
All right, woohoo! Hey, wait a minute, that's my line! Guys, get back here! Catboy!
Owlette. And Gecko. Hey, where'd you go?
PJ Masks, let's go!
Don't forget the assistant. PJ Masks, this is the assistant. Do you read?
Okay, we're here. Copy, assistant. We read you loud and clear.
Okay, great.
Okay, time to assess the situation.
Okay, team, it looks like for your first mission. Oh no! The puppy dog pals are trapped under a big pile of rocks. PJ Masks, go save them.
Oh no!
You need to get them out right now.
Woof woof. Yeah, it's okay, we're all right. We're just a little bit stuck. Can you help us? Woof woof. Don't worry, we're gonna get you out. Oh no, those poor puppies are trapped under all of those rocks. What are we gonna do? Come on, team, let's go. We need to move those rocks and save the puppy dog pals before... Uh-oh! The volcano erupts.
Oopsie, I forgot to mention. Okay, while you're working on that, I think we should think about my super suit. I want mine to be orange with black spots, like a cheetah. And that way I'll run it super fast, faster than Catboy, to catch up to Romeo. And my super name could be Assistant 3000, fastest person in the whole universe.
Awesome, assistant. Maybe this isn't the best time for this conversation. Uh-oh, now Catboy's stuck in the rubble. What are we gonna do?
Oops, sorry, back to the mission. Well, according to this, you're gonna need backup.
Man, this is inconvenient. Woof, woof. We're still okay. We need rubble.
Copy that, I'll send Bubble.
Huh?
Ooh, sweet ride. Where am I?
No, assistant. We need rubble, not bubbles.
Oopsie, my bad. I'll send Rubble right now. Rubble, do you copy?
Wow, see you later.
Whoa! Hey, what's going on? Why was I picked up in this, mini blue limo? Rubble! Woo, woo, woo. Lots and lots of rubble. I'm on it. Who's ready for some digging? Vroom, vroom. Pups, get out of there! Woof, woof, woof! Hooray! We did it!
Yahoo! Great job, team. I'm tired. I need a nap.
Yeah! Woohoo! Great job, you guys! Woof, 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 woof. Thanks, Rubble. Ruff, ruff, rubble on the devil. Ruff, ruff. Pups? What were you doing playing over by the volcano? Woof, woof. We were chasing a cat. Yeah, that silly kitty ran up in the tree over there, and we just got caught under the rubble. Whoa, really? Did you hear that, assistant? A cat. Meow.
What? Okay, sending bats.
Bats? Wait, no. Ah! Everybody run! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! We said cat, not bat! Whoa!
Well, I think my work here is done. What's the next mission? Guys! Wow, that was so much fun. Bye!
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there you can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!